Good mga G. So alam nyo naman, nakatatapos lang ng laban ng pambansang kamao versus Adrian Broner, and nakita ko tong reaction kasi hindi ko natapos yung fight. I mean, natapos ko hanggang decision pero hindi ko natapos the rest, kung ano pa yung mga nangyari. And panoorin natin to, talagang sobrang nakakatuwa.
Everybody out there know I beat him. I had the fight. He was missing. I hit him clean more times.
Kakontrol niya daw yung fight sa kakatakbo niyang yun.
Congratulations. You controlled this fight seemingly from the outset with your jab. How do you feel that you were so effective with that?
Totoo, talagang yung jab talaga ni Manny Pacquiao yung talagang nag-control ng laban na yun.
I felt so happy because I did my best in the fight, and also in training. Our strategy and techniques is we use a lot. We did a lot in the training camp, so I thank God for this victory.
Tama, pero ang napansin ko lang talaga, kasi may nakita din akong interview sa kanya, yung post fight interview niya, na talagang parang may problema or nasaktan ata yung mata niya, or kasi naka sunglasses siya, tapos nung ini-interview siya, sobrang hirap na hirap siya sa mata niya. Hindi ko alam kung masakit yun o what, pero yun lang yung napansin ko.
What do you think about the amount and ability that you had to throw so many punches at the age of 40?
I'm so happy because God gave me this good health, these blessings. At the age of 40, I can still give my best. Although I want to be aggressive more, but my camp is my coach told me that do not be careless, just wait him, counter him.
Tama. Kasi yun na nga, lamang na si Manny Pacquiao, and although gusto nating makakita ng talagang, alam mo yun, bakbakan talaga, syempre kailangan niya ding alagaan since lamang na nga siya, 'di ba? Kaysa naman sa magkaroon pa ng chance Adrian Broner na magkaroon ng isang lucky punch, 'di ba? Pero pumunta tayo dun sa kay Adrian Broner. So alam naman natin kay Manny Pacquiao na ganyan, talagang humble talaga tong taong to. So pumunta kay Adrian Broner kasi dun yung nakakatawang part.
You make the decision. What did you think about the fight?
I beat him. Everybody out there know I beat him. Everybody out there know I beat him.
Ano daw? Ano daw? Natalo mo talaga siya sa ginawa mo, na parang kang running man challenge sa pinagagawa mo dun sa ring.
The fight, he was missing. I hit him clean more times.
Nakakatawa talaga to.
You averaged 8 punches. Less than 8 punches was the most punches that you had in the round, and it seemed as though you couldn't get.
Well, sinupalpal na siya nung nag-interview na 8 lang, 8 punches lang yung pinakamadaming itinagal or binato niyang suntok sa isang round. 8 punches ang pinakamadami.
But it sounded like it was against me. So I already ain't got a fair shake talking to you.
So nagalit na siya dun sa nag-i-interview, 'di ba? Kasi parang hindi daw siya kampe or against daw sa kanya 'yon. Grabe ka.
Let me let y'all know. I want to thank the whole hood who came out here. I love y'all. I did this for the hood. Y'all know I beat that boy. Y'all know I beat that boy. What they trying to do is they trying to get that money again with Pacquiao and Floyd. But it's cool. I ain't worried about it. I'm still that nigga, man. I'm on top. Cincinnati, stand up. West side.
Alam mo, Yoel, that's the best na he can do, kasi i-appreciate na lang niya yung mga tao pumunta doon, yung sumusuporta sa kanya, kasi napakalinaw pa sa pinakamalinaw na tubig dito sa Pilipinas na talagang, well, sorry talaga, better luck next time, kasi hindi mo matatalo ang aming pambansang kamao. Okay? Walang matalo man si Manny Pacquiao. Okay? As pinakamabait or mabait na tao, napakabuting tao. Well, matalo manalo, solid tayo, Manny Pacquiao. And yun lang, have a great day ahead and peace out. Let's go. Beautiful.